Morning, this is Taj. Good afternoon, anyway. I went to one guy to repair for him a hybrid battery. He fixed it from this company, even 1 year. Look, even he doesn't. This company put the new one. They put the used one. Okay, put the used one. Now to work. This one, it's not correct. This one is not correct. Anything is brand new here. Anything's new. His company charged him almost 2,500, and the sales is used. Do you believe it? Sales is used, but the problem is here. That's not only when you repair battery, he has problem only with the sales. Like this one, the sales is fine, but the contactor has problem. So this one, all of them is used. You can tell use. This is 7.9. This had to be 6. So even doesn't put new one. Okay. Look between this one and this one. Look this one. This is look new. It's not new, but more new than this one. See? That's the problem. Attached with you. Kador. Thank you. Have a nice day.